What is it, Quark? Oh, what is it, Eclair? What is it, Ginkgo? Oh, Dido. My books are here. It's the unboxing video. 25 units. It's Lewis Freeman. Lullaby in red. You gonna help me, Dido? Dido is going to help me unbox. So, oh my goodness. Here we go. I'm going to do this carefully. Here we go. I'm ready. And bubble wrap. And ooh. Ah. Let's have a look. I want to come around. Look over my shoulder. All right. Is it beautiful or is it beautiful? Just very cool, very cool. All right. Lullaby in Red is available right now in my online shop on Jcroft. Link in the description. Also, on October the 1st, I will have a limited number of signed copies. This will be signed by both myself and my wonderful artist, Paige. Also, those will also be in my online shop, Jcroft. Link in the description. Hey, so I just wanted to add that I will have some more news here pretty soon. It's kind of chaotic right now, but if you follow me here, follow me over on my blog on Jcroft. I will have more updates as they become apparent. So until then, may golden doves bring you all of the wonderful things.